Hi, I'm Steve Gliner, President and General Manager of the Hudson Valley Renegades. Night at the ballpark here with the Renegades is all about the fan experience. So the challenges of the previous lighting system were, first, they were old, so they weren't working up to the standards that really needed to be on the field for professional baseball standards. So obviously we've reached those standards now and exceeded in the levels that we have here. Probably the one thing that I talk about the most since we've had these lights installed is the ability for them to turn on and off immediately, especially turning back on. We do many fireworks shows here, and one of the biggest challenges is after a fireworks event, we would turn the lights back on, and it would take 7 or 8 minutes for those lights to fire back up. These new lights, they come right back on immediately, and from a safety perspective, that's a real big plus. I think just being able to actually have it and utilize it for the first time. I think the first time when I went onto my iPhone and turned the lights on, it was like my birthday, just opening a new present. I think the first time we turned them on at night and saw them for the first time, to see how different the lighting looked in the ballpark, how bright it was, and how well the coverage was on the field, that was really exciting to see. All around, from the ability to play the game properly, to be able to analyze the game properly, to have good lighting in your facility is very important these days.